Talak 7.9F Review, Effective Insect Control or Waste of Money. In this video, I'm going to review Talak 7.9F insecticide and find out whether it's an effective solution for controlling insects around your home and yard or simply a waste of money. Talak 7.9F is a concentrated insecticide from APKs that contains 7.9% bifenthrin as its active ingredient. According to EPA registration information, Talak is an alternate brand name for a registered 7.9% bifenthrin product, and its approved labeling covers a wide range of pests and treatment sites. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. Depending on the specific directions on the product label, bifenthrin treatments can be used against pests such as ants, aphids, beetles, bedbugs, and numerous other insects. This makes Talak useful for homeowners looking for one concentrated product that can address several common pest problems, rather than buying a different spray for every insect. So does it actually work? Customer feedback is generally positive. Do My Own currently shows an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on 7 reviews. Users report good results against pests including carpenter ants, mosquitoes, spiders, and other insects around homes, garages, and yards. Walmart reviews also include customers reporting successful control of fire ants and other household pests. Keep in mind, though, that customer reviews are anecdotal rather than controlled scientific tests. Another benefit is that Talak is sold as a concentrate. Instead of purchasing multiple bottles of ready-to-use insect spray, you dilute the concentrate according to the product label for the particular pest and treatment area. This can make it economical for people treating larger properties or performing regular perimeter treatments. However, Talak isn't a magic solution. Different pests can require different treatment strategies, and repeatedly relying on the same active ingredient can contribute to insecticide resistance. You also shouldn't assume that using a stronger mixture will produce better results. Here's my pro tip. Always identify the pest first and then follow the current Talak label exactly for the approved location, dilution rate, application method, and reapplication interval. Wear any protective equipment required by the label, keep people and pets away during application as directed, and never exceed the labeled concentration. So is Talak 7.9F effective insect control or a waste of money? Based on its EPA-registered bifenthrin formulation and generally positive user experiences, it can be a strong value for appropriate household and outdoor pest control applications when used exactly as labeled. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which pest control product you want me to review next.